So let's take a look at how we can create this video in Create Studio. So on the left side here, you can see all of the assets used in the video. So now the simplest way to create the video is to have all of the assets on the same page. Like I'm right in the middle of the video because it is quite easy to see all of the assets, images and text clearly. So now let's take a look at each asset right here. So first comes up with the laptop, and to get the laptop here, you can use your own or you can use one from Create Studio itself. Simply type in laptop and you can select any one from here and you can place it on the canvas. So now let's take a look at how you can create this professional looking image along with the blue border. So it's quite simple. All you need is an image and a circle where you can line up both of them together and right click, and there'll be an option that comes up to mask them together. So you can simply click on it and it will this will happen. So it's quite simple. And as for text, you can simply go to Studio and drag this text option right here, and you can change all of the properties on the right side. So the way this video pans out is from the right side over to the left side. So here we have all of the animation that gradually progresses up and then naturally gradually progresses down. So we have used three animations in total: back up, elastic up, and elastic down. So when you click on it, it's all under scale animation. Animation or motion is in Create Studio. So here you have a preview of it. And as for elastic up, it bounces up, and the same goes for elastic down. Here you have preview. So basically we want all of the elements to progress up. So it takes a nice gradual pattern. So currently we are in the middle of the video. The way this video progresses is it's basically like first in is the last out kind of logic. Since this element was the last element to come up on the screen, now it is the first element to exit the screen. So that's how all of the other elements exit the screen. So that is a pretty easy animation.